In the world of automotive maintenance, efficiency and safety are paramount. Electric car jacks have emerged as a game-changing innovation that not only simplifies the tire-changing process, but also enhances user safety. That's where our guide to the top 5 best electric car jacks you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the ABN 3-in-1 electric 3-ton car hydraulic floor jack, a guardian angel for your journeys. Ranked as the number 5 best electric car jack, it promises to be your knight in shining armor during any roadside emergency. Picture this. You're stranded on a desolate road, the night sky above, and your car has a flat tire. Fear not, for the ABN 3-in-1 electric jack is here. With its electric impact wrench, it swiftly tackles wheel nuts, thanks to its chrome vanadium steel adapters. And when you need to lift your car, it effortlessly handles 3 tons, elevating it from 6.1 to 17.7 inches, even in temperatures ranging from 15 degrees to 122 degrees Celsius. This versatile toolkit also includes an inflator with a needle head, ensuring your tires are always at the optimal pressure. It's all conveniently stored in a sturdy plastic case that won't slide around in your trunk. Priced at a reasonable $145, this lifesaver is the embodiment of peace of mind on wheels. Meet the Marchlin 12V DC 5-ton electric car jack, powerful and efficient tool that's a true game changer for any car owner. Ranked as the number 4 best electric car jack, this device combines power and convenience to make your life easier. With a robust torque of 340 Nm and a hydraulic drive design, it effortlessly lifts vehicles weighing up to 5 tons, providing a reliable solution for your automotive needs. What sets it apart is its simplicity. Just connect it to your 12V vehicle power outlet, press a button, and watch it do the heavy lifting or lowering in less than a minute. Time saving has never been so emotional. But the Marchlin electric car jack goes beyond lifting. It's a complete package. Equipped with a tire inflator pump and a well-organized storage box containing an electric impact wrench, LED light, power cable, battery clamp connecting cable, and gloves, it's a must-have for any emergency. Safety is paramount, and the jack comes with built-in safeguards to prevent overextension and excess weight. This versatile hydraulic jack is compatible with various vehicle types, from sedans to trucks. Whether you're at home, on a road trip, or facing roadside troubles, it's your reliable companion. Priced at just $154. Discover the E-Heelp electric car. Jack 5 tons, the ultimate companion for every car owner. This powerful hydraulic jack, ranked as the number 3 best electric car jack, is a game changer in the world of tire repair. With a staggering lifting capacity of 5 tons, it can effortlessly elevate your vehicle to its maximum height in under 2 minutes. But that's not all. This jack is your trusty car repair helper. It offers 2 power supply options. Use your car's cigar lighter or connect it to the battery. It's a versatile powerhouse, suitable for sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks. The integrated tire inflator pump ensures you're prepared for tire emergencies no matter where you are. Safety is paramount, and this electric car jack has you covered. It automatically stops lifting when it reaches its maximum height or exceeds the load limit. Whether you're in your garage, on a road trip, or facing an emergency in the middle of nowhere, this waterproof and illuminated electric car jack has got your back. The price is $189. Introducing the StandTall electric car jack, a true game changer in the world of automotive tools. This remarkable device has been ranked as the number 2 best electric car jack, and it's no wonder why. With a weight capacity of up to 5 tons and a lifting range of 5.9 to 17.7 inches, this electric car jack is a powerful and versatile companion for any driver. Its self-locking structure guarantees stability, and the steel body with rust-resistant paint ensures long-lasting durability. But it doesn't stop there. This all-in-one kit includes an automatic air pump and an electric impact wrench, making it a must-have for roadside emergencies or home auto repairs. The user-friendly panel allows for easy operation, and the pressure gauge ensures precise tire inflation. Safety is paramount, as the jack automatically stops when it reaches its height limit. This makes it an indispensable tool for both road warriors and home mechanics. No more relying on others when changing tires on the side of the road. At just $155, the StandTall electric car jack is an affordable investment in your safety and peace of mind. Say hello to the E-Heelp electric car jack, a true game changer for car enthusiasts and road warriors alike. This exceptional 3-ton electric scissor jack isn't just any car jack, it's a lifeline on wheels. With a swift 1-minute ascent to its max height of 16.54 inches, it's an engineering marvel catering to vehicles under 3 tons, including cars, SUVs, and sedans. What sets it apart is its dual power supply, effortlessly plugging into your car's battery or cigar lighter. Equipped with spare fuses, it's your guardian in any emergency. But its versatility knows no bounds. Whether you're in your home garage on a road trip or facing a roadside crisis, this waterproof jack has got your back. It even includes a nifty electric impact wrench with 2 sockets for quick and efficient tire changes. Safety? It's paramount. The jack automatically halts at its height limit, preventing accidents. Plus, the built-in circuit breaker safeguards your vehicle from overload. Worried about oncoming traffic during repairs? Use the red triangle as a warning sign. At just $129, it's a small price for big peace of mind. Elevate your car maintenance experience with the E-Heelp electric car jack today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.